Now, this is how we can fix the unable to join a network problem on an iPad. Let's get into it. So there are some things you can do. First of all, make sure you go to the Wi-Fi settings and try forgetting the network. So you can tap on that little eye icon like for more information, and there you'll have the ability to forget the network. It is there to kind of reset the connection, so sometimes it really helps. So you can do that, and then you'll have to retype in the password for the Wi-Fi to join it. As I say, a lot of times it really does help. The next option to check out is your date and a time. Sometimes incorrect date and time can cause connection issues, right? So perhaps you'll be able to connect to a network, but some websites may not be accessible. So I recommend you to check out the settings, general section, and a date and a time. I personally like to keep it set automatically so I don't have to worry about anything at all. The next thing you need to do if it doesn't work still is to restart your iPad. I know it is a simple fix, but a lot of times it really does help with these kind of issues. So just perform a quick reboot. Then pay attention to the software update section, which is part of the general settings page. And if there is a software update available, a lot of times it's a good idea to install it to make sure it fixes that issue. And one last option, which I would recommend you to do, is to go to the general section, tap on transfer or reset iPad, click on reset, and then click on reset network settings. This again will perform the reset of all of your connections. Keep in mind that all of your saved Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth devices will be reset, so you have to repair everything, but a lot of times it's the only option we can do. So let me know if we managed to fix it together. If it worked for you, hit the thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss anything important in the future.